Hello, dear friends. Welcome back to English with Sophia. If you're just starting your English learning journey, you're in the perfect place. Today, we're exploring the exciting world of traveling, specifically designed for A1 level learners. Let's make English fun and easy to learn. Understanding travel. Travel means going to new places different from where you live. It's an exciting adventure where you can see new things, meet new people, and learn about different cultures. Whether it's a nearby town or a faraway country, every trip is a new discovery. Why travel? People travel for many reasons: to see beautiful places, to experience new cultures, or just to relax. Traveling can teach you a lot, not just about the world, but also about yourself. It's a wonderful way to learn new words and practice English. Popular travel destinations. One amazing place to visit is Hawaii. Hawaii is a group of islands in the middle of the Pacific Ocean. It's part of the United States and is famous for its stunning beaches and beautiful nature. Many people love visiting Hawaii because it feels like a paradise. Different ways to enjoy travel. You can travel in different ways. Road, trips, driving through different places and seeing the countryside. Flying, taking a plane to reach far places quickly. Cruises, traveling by ship and enjoying the sea. Where to stay during travel. When traveling, you can stay in various places depending on your budget. Hotels, comfortable but can be expensive. Hostels, cheaper but less private. Airbnbs. These are homes people rent out. They are often cozy and a good way to feel like you're part of the local area. The challenges of travel. While travel is fun, it can also have challenges. Sometimes flights may be delayed, or the accommodation might not be as nice as expected. But overcoming these challenges is part of the adventure and helps you grow. Travel tips for beginners. 1. Plan ahead. Make a list of what you want to see and do. 2. Learn basic phrases. Knowing simple English phrases can help you communicate while you travel. 3. Pack smart. Bring only what you need so you can travel comfortably. Let's interact. I'd love to hear about your travel dreams or experiences. What's the top place you want to visit? Share it in the comments below. Thank you for joining me today on English with Sophia. Remember to practice your English every day and keep exploring new things. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more beginner-friendly lessons. Can't wait to see you next time.